All right, we are at Stratton Hall.
We got ECC Fixtures.
Going down.
Used to be an Otis.
Yep. Doesn't look like it at the time was a very old Otis, though. It might have been an Otis mod as well. Go one. It's interesting how similar it looks to Mad ThyssenKrupp.
Yeah.
There's an address on here.
Such a funny little chime.
Funny little elevator.
First floor.
Nothing crazy down here. Most stuck in elevator. There's a most stuck in elevator award. Professor Paz. I guess they get stuck the most. Interesting.
Well, let's hope we don't get stuck.
Yeah, right? It's a bit small to get stuck in here.
Yeah.
All right. Quiet for the potential motor.
Fourth floor.
Guess it's just right back to one.
2. That's where we got on.
Okay, we can get in. We can have it too.
Going down.
Seal. There's a seal on the PI.
That's a funny PI. Attention passengers, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelts. You're now free to roam about the cabin. That's
Back
what it
on
sounds
now.
like. The captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. We're running into some turbulence right now.
Second floor.
Voice sounds drunk. Second floor. Look, a free cup. Free.
That's funny. The fact that they printed a sign
In color, too.
and taped it to the wall.